Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today is a Trendsend day. I really like Trendsend. They have failed me a couple of times, but most of the time I really like them. Trendsend, if you don't know, is a styling service. They will put together 5, 6 outfits for you. They send at least 6 pieces, so you'll get at least 6 pieces. You pay a $20 styling fee. If you keep 5 or more of what they send you, you get a 10% discount, and your styling fee goes towards whatever you buy. If you don't buy anything, you lose that styling fee, but most of the time you'll find something because they've got some really cute stuff. I will have a code down below in the description. If you use my link, if you've never tried Trendsend and you'd like to try them, use my link and you get 20% off your first box. Still get the discount, the 10%. That's on top of the 10% if you keep 5 pieces and your styling fee back. So your first box is pretty risk-free, really. Let's have a look at what they sent me. First off, I am gonna see, okay, I got a new stylist. I've had Hunter for the last several ones, I do believe. This is Emily A. She's got some great new pieces to take me into fall in Texas. So let's see how Emily A did for me. We will start. I've got 2 bundles here. What we got here? Oh, nice and soft. This is by Evereve. This is the Maci V-neck pullover by Evereve in gray. Just the feel of it. It's the band at the bottom, pretty wide band at the sleeves. Oh, didn't quite get it. Oh, pretty long band at the bottom. You can roll it up or you can wear them long, which I really like that long look. And then there's the same kind of banding around the V-neck. Next, we have the Ultra Rib Maya dress by Michael Stars in black. Okay, this is really cute, but I can tell you right now, I am way past anything this skin tight. It's got ruching. Lots of ruching on both sides. I would definitely wear it with a jacket, and it looks to me to be like a maxi. We'll see about that. Okay, these are the Reese ankle straight leg. I have tried on many Reese ankle straight legs, different variations by cut from the cloth. This one is in Bordeaux. It's a utility pant. Wow, this is a utility pant. Did I get that right? It's Bordeaux, but it kind of looks like pleather. Am I getting it right? Is this the cut from the cloth in Bordeaux? But I'm not getting the utility pant, but okay, it does have a zipper at the bottom. I like these. I think those are really cute. We are going to start with the Milo striped linen rib Henley by Evereve. Who doesn't love a Henley? I like this. Next, ooh, another sweater. This one is the Sloane Pullover by French Connection in oatmeal. Oh, these are really cute. Stripes, the ribbed bottom. Let's see, with the rib around the neck. It's got these kind of puffy shoulders, which we'll see when we try them on. And then last, is that right? Yep, that's last. Let's see what I have not told you about. These are the stretch twill cropped wide leg by Spanx. Okay, we'll see how I like these, and I think this is super cute. These are really cute, but they are definitely wide leg. I'm growing more and more used to that. Pockets. It's got the pocket here, but it's got the tab button that's, I'm assuming you can open those up. Let's go try these on and see what we think. Okay, we're gonna start with this. This is the Maci V-neck pullover by Evereve, and it is $62.40. It's super soft. I like the length of the arms. Probably on some people it would come down to, I like this look. I don't know why, but I do. Very cute. I like the neckline. I like the back. And these are the Stretch Twill Cropped Wide Leg by Spanx, and this is Darkened Dove. And the more I get used to these wide legs, straight legs, and all those things, the more I like them. I like these a lot. I think they're really, really comfortable. They are $102.40, which is not a bit surprising for Spanx, but $102.40. They've got these pockets in the front, and they've got the flat pockets in the back, which I just put on these little booties. And here I just paired it with this scarf that's got the olive in it, that to me kind of pulls it together a little better. On to outfit number 2. Be right back. These are the same twill cropped wide leg, and these are pull-ons, by the way. I don't think I told you that earlier, but they have paired it with the Milo stripe linen rib Henley by Evereve. I like the Henley a lot. Again, I like this. I paired this just because this is black and white, so I just put on my black booties. Not sure that's what I would do. I don't know, I'll see when I look back, but I probably would wear the tan booties with this, but I don't have it tucked in because it's kind of a lot to tuck in, and these pants are pretty, they're not too tight, but they're Spanx. That's how I feel, which is probably why I like them so much. But I think it's really cute. It's just got the ribbing and the buttons, and I think it's cute. On to the next. Okay, y'all, I'm in big trouble. I love these pants. This was the next thing they put together, the Milo striped Henley and the coated Reese utility pant by Cut from the Kloth. And these pants are $79.20. Oh my gosh, I love these. I really, really like them. I missed a hook here, so they might be kind of gapping, but they don't gap. They fit perfectly, and I love them. And again, I put the black booties on with this just because of the black and white striped Henley. So, are these not the cutest things? Like I say, I'm in trouble. All right, I will be back with the next thing that they paired these with. So hang on. Let me find this one. These, again, the Cut from the Kloth. And this is the Sloane Pullover by French Connection in oatmeal white. And it is $78.40. This one does not, this top I love. It's not as soft. It doesn't feel as good as the gray one, but it does seem and look to me more expensive, which of course it is. That one was, well, $62. There's not that much difference. I don't think I can pass this up. I love it. We are about to go on a trip, and I'm gonna need clothes for the trip. I mean, you always need new clothes when you're gonna go somewhere. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. There's the cute The back, I think this is cute with, I like this with this. Let me show you, and I should have tried it on, but I didn't. I'm not sure why they didn't pair these two, because I do like these colors better together than I liked the gray. But here's two outfits right here. I think there's one left, and I'm not too optimistic that this one's going to work for me, if you remember the things that I showed you. So let's see how this one goes. Just as I thought, this Ultra Rib Maya dress by Michael Stars, $78, $78.40. They did pair it with this pullover. They also paired it with the Henley, which I'm not going to try on because I don't think that's going to work either. Be a little brave and show it to you with nothing. I'm not going to twirl or turn. Can't suck this baby in enough. I love these. I really do. But I don't think I'm going to keep them. These, absolutely, I'm going to keep. I like this too, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. And I like this too. But I did do some math, so let me just tell you. If I were to keep the gray sweater, the tan sweater, the Bordeaux jeans, and the olive jeans, that total would be $287.20 minus the $20, so it'd be $267.20. Or if I just kept the two that I absolutely am in love with, that would be $157.60, or minus the $20, $137.60. So we're talking $130 difference. I was hoping that 10% would make more of a difference, but you know, 10% is not that much. But that's what I'm going to keep. I am going to keep for sure the burgundy and that sweater. Lots of different things to wear with both of them. So let me know what you think. That is it for this Trendsend. I will see y'all next time. Thanks y'all. Bye bye.